Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a page on Facebook. If you're a Shopify store owner or you're just getting started, having a Facebook page is a simple but powerful step because it gives your brand a home base where customers can find you, message you, and see updates. Plus, it helps you later if you want to run ads, connect your shop, or build trust with social proof. To create a page is super easy. You want to go ahead and scroll down on the lower left-hand side until you find Pages. If you're not finding Pages, just simply click See More. It's going to expand more and you'll find Pages. And quick tip here, make sure you're on your personal Facebook account first. Pages are managed through your account, so you'll still be able to switch between your profile and your business page once it's created. Once you are on that page, you can go ahead and click on Create New Page. Here you want to give your page a name. When you're naming your page for your Shopify store, try to use your actual store name so it matches your website, packaging, and other socials. This makes it easier for customers to search and recognize you. You can also choose a category. I'm going to just say tech and just choose tech and science, for example. Your category matters because it helps Facebook understand what your page is about and can affect how you show up in search, what features you get, and what options Facebook suggests. So if you're selling products, pick the closest match to what you sell. And if you want to add a bio, you can add it and then go ahead and click on Create Page. For your bio, keep it clear and customer-friendly. Mention what you sell, who it's for, and one quick reason to trust you, like fast shipping, handmade products, or a unique benefit. For example, if you run a Shopify store, you might say what your brand specializes in and what makes it different. And that's all that you have to do to create a page on Facebook. Once it's live, you can start adding things like a profile picture, usually your logo, a cover photo, like a banner with your products, and your website link so people can click straight through to your Shopify store. And that's it, folks. You've now got your very own Facebook page up and running. It's a great starting point for building your brand and connecting with customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Drew Tutorial, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.